Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. To be able to manage the household hustle in the morning where people have to go to offices, schools, everything will have to happen in the first few hours of the morning, we need to have a good stove or a hob which will multitask. What I mean is, it is always good to have a multi-burner gas stove in place of two burner gas stove. I had been using a 2 burner gas stove which I found is not sufficient to manage the morning hustle. So I upgraded to a 4 burner gas stove. After much research, I settled on Sunflame Aura 4 burner gas stove. I'll show you. Today's unboxing is about that. When I wanted to buy this particular brand of stove of this particular model, it was not available in the offline stores in Chroma. It was available only online. So I went ahead and placed an order online in Chroma, and so it got delivered at home itself. So let's get started and do the unboxing of Sunflame Aura 4 burner gas stove. So let's cut off this first. So this is made in India, our pride. 4 burner glass cooktop Aura. This comes with a 5-year warranty with the conditions apply clause, of course. High efficiency brass burner, super big burner, heavy duty pan supports, sturdy toughened glass, which is 8 mm toughened glass. So this is the Sunflame, the clear choice. So now let's open this up. So I have removed the thermocol support which was there. Now let us take this stove off and then we'll. I have taken out the stove from the box. There was an additional support which was provided, which was in the box. I'm keeping it aside. Now let us take this from the cover. So this is how it comes. You have a very big burner here. This is the one which if you are cooking and facing the stove, it will be on your left side, and a regular burner here on the right side, and 2 small burners here. If you see the placing of this, the reason why I went for this model is I did not want something which comes in a line like this, because that way cooking will be a little cumbersome, meaning the pan or the utensil which you keep here might clash with this. Same happens here, and this portion it will be very close. Of course the stove size will be smaller, but the purpose of using 4 burners will be lost, because you will end up using only 3 burners and keeping 1 burner idle, because you will not be able to place 4 pans and 4 utensils and do the cooking. That is the reason I went for this model. Now if you see the sturdiness of the product, this is quite sturdy, very heavy. The reason I was not able to show you taking out the stove was because I had to seek help to lift it up. It is quite heavy and very sturdy, doesn't move at all, unlike many of the smaller stoves, which if you have to move, it moves around, which is a very good point if you ask me, because you do not want the stove to keep moving when you are cooking. Now to see what is in the box, you see this this is the material which instruction manual which was provided. Comes with the warranty card at the back also. You already saw on the box that it says 5-year warranty on gas walls, toughened glass and forged brass burners. Now if we'll see the one by one how the stove looks like. If you see here, this portion is screwed to this, so if there is a spillage or leakage from the cooking, you can easily wipe it off. And if you see the parts, this burner comes off separately, and this support system also comes off separately, which you can take it separately and clean it off. This you can wipe manually with a wet cloth to clean, so that is also an advantage. and here there is a hole for safety purposes. And this is made with iron. You have some cushioned thing here so that the glass doesn't get scratched. Same for this, each of these burners, the small burners. Now a separate small stand has been provided for the times when you want to use a very small vessel, like for you, when you want to do a tadka, or when you want to keep a small one person making chai kind of burtan. For that you just have to place this like this. You can use a smaller utensil on the top of this. So this is very handy and very helpful when you want to use a smaller utensils. What happens if you want to use a smaller utensil on a big flame is it will topple on it, and you will have to place it on the stove itself, which will not serve the purpose at all. So this utensils, this smaller stand is very helpful. And this is a cleaning glass cleaning, burner cleaning tool which was provided, which you can use to remove the debris and clean when there is a spillage and you want to clean it up. This is very handy and useful. Otherwise you will have to rely on your daily cleaning brush, which is not so effective. Now let's come to the knobs. Knobs are not so like, they are not metal, they are plastic. They have the buttons here. You have the push kind of buttons here, and you can see the burner, which burner which use, like this is for this burner, you can see, and this is for this burner. You can see the white mark there. This is for this burner and this is for this burner. So you can see the marking there, and you can see the intensity of flame also mentioned here. Like this is low, this is medium, and this is super low. This is the highest one. This is the highest one, and this is the super low. So overall, if you see the glass structure, this is very sturdy, toughened glass. As mentioned, it is 8 mm. I am overall happy with this purchase. The gas outlet inlet is here, and if you see, it can be rotated on either sides by twisting it like this. So it doesn't really matter which side your gas cylinder is. You can twist it up and move it to that side. And now let us come to the measurements. I am showing you the Taylor tape. So end to end, if you see, it is 31 inches. 31 inches breadth, and if you see the width, length, if you see this, it is 17 and a half. And now let me show you the burner size. So I am showing only the burner size here. It's 4 inches burner. The biggest burner is 4 inches, and the medium burner is around 3 inches, 3.2 inches, and the small ones are like less than 2.9, 2.8 kind of. These also come with this kind of stand. You have ample place for you to clean up when required. So this are very sturdy rubberized stand legs, which will help to hold and not move the stove around. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are using any better stove than this, let me know. which I will be able to recommend to my friends and family if they are interested to buy one. Thank you for watching.